Hello, fellow paranormal enthusiasts, and welcome to the video about the Storsjoodjuret. Also known as the Great Lake Monster, it is said to be a 6-meter-long serpentine lake monster that inhabits Lake Storsjön, Sweden's 5th largest lake, in central Sweden. It is said to also have fins on its back, and its head is similar to a canine's head. It was first officially reported in 1635, and at one point was protected by a Swedish law, but that law was disbanded in 2005. There have been hundreds of reports of people seeing this lake serpent, and even in 2008, a film crew claimed to get a large thermal hit of an unknown creature in the lake. But to this date, like many other cryptids, nothing has been substantiated. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not like and share the video? It'd be much appreciated. If I mispronounce those words, I was tried my hardest to pronounce them correctly. Please let me know. I really want to know. I really want to get everything correct. So, if you're on Twitter, why not follow me on Twitter at TheGhostWatch. I'm also on Twitch at MadFireGamer, and if you want to see more of my content on YouTube, VidMe, and Dailymotion, subscribe and follow for more paranormal activity, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.